First, loosen the anti-tamper screw with an offset Phillips head screwdriver. This screw is located on the underside of the handle base. Once the anti-tamper screw is loose, next unscrew the push button actuator cap using your hand. Once loose, pull it up and off the base. Next, remove the flex shaft that was located under the cap. Inside of the handle base, remove the 11mm nut with a socket wrench. Pull up and remove the entire handle base. Be mindful of the loose components, as you will need these later when reassembling. Slide the handle bushing back onto the shaft. Next, put the handle base back on, which will need to be reassembled in the following order. First, the honeycomb washer. Second, the smaller lock washer. And lastly, the 11mm nut, which will need to be tightened with a socket wrench. Be careful not to cross-thread the nut while tightening. Once the nut is tight, slide the flex shaft back into the joystick shaft. Push it down a couple of times to ensure it operates. Place the push button cap back on top of the handle base and screw it on until tight using your hand. With an offset Phillips screwdriver, tighten up the anti-tamper screw. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, visit our website, contact us today.